Hello everyone, Namaste. Welcome to my channel Cooking with Siri. My name is Siri. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like my video, share it. You can comment it as well as you can press the bell icon. And today I'm going to make eggplant omelette recipe. So let's start. So this is the ingredients that I'm going to use in this recipe. Turmeric powder, cumin and coriander powder, chili powder, chopped onion, chopped coriander, chopped chili, and chopped tomato, salt, and rice flour, and 2 eggs, and eggplant, and some oil. So I'm going to show you how to cut the eggplant. So okay, cut it like this, round shape, 1/2 inch thickness. Like this. You can put it in the water. So I'm going to use this pastry cutter. So I will cut it like this, and you need to get rid of this part, and we need this part, this round shape, and then you have to cut it in small pieces so that we will use later on. So if you don't have this, you can cut it like this using a knife and go around. Like this. Like this. So okay, I cut it like this, all the rings, and then I chopped it all the eggplant that I took it from here. So now I'm going to add some salt and pinch of salt, and then turmeric, and just like this. Now I'm going to put the dry masala in here. Chopped onion, small size, 1 small size, and 1/3 tablespoon turmeric, and 1/2 teaspoon chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon coriander powder, salt 1/2 tablespoon, chopped chilies, 2 chopped chilies, and chopped tomatoes, and 2 eggs, and then chopped coriander, and 1 tablespoon of corn flour. And we're gonna mix it all. Okay, pan is hot. I'm going to pour some oil, 3 tablespoons. And then I'm going to put the rings. Make sure the flame is low. And I'm going to put this stuff. leave it for 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, it's been 3 minutes. I'm going to flip it. Again, we will leave for 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, it's been 4 minutes. It's ready to serve. This is how it looks like. I'm going to make some more. I made some more eggplants like this. So soon I'm gonna serve on a plate. So this is the eggplant omelette. Now you can serve with a tomato ketchup or whatever chutney you like. You can serve it like this. I hope you enjoyed watching my recipe. Thank you for your time, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like my video, share it, and you can comment it as well as don't forget to hit the bell icon. So see you next time. Bye bye.